Really frustrating when you want to do something on your laptop and then you realize that the laptop is running very slow or it's underperforming. In today's video, we are going to look at some ways in which you can speed up the performance of your laptop. Let's get started. In order to speed up the performance of your laptop, we will be looking at 5 steps. Step 1 is to clean up your hard drive, and in order to do this, you will type disk cleanup in the start menu. So we are going to go ahead and type disk cleanup. This is it. So you go ahead and select it. Over here, you can go ahead and check the boxes of the files that you don't want, and you select clean up system. When you click on clean system files to clean up your system files for you, you go ahead and click on OK. Then you delete files. The second step is to uninstall programs that you no longer use. And in order to do this, we are going to go to our start menu as usual and select settings or type settings. After typing settings, you go ahead and select it. Then you navigate to apps. Then you select apps and features. Now over here, you get to see all the apps that you have, all these apps that you have. You can go ahead and select the ones that you no longer need and uninstall them. The third step you will be talking about is to manage your startup programs. So on Windows, there is this shortcut that you can use, which is Control plus Shift plus Escape. It will open your task manager for you. But if you don't want to use this keyboard shortcut, we are going to go back to our start menu and type Task Manager. When you select Task Manager, the first thing you see is processes, there is performance, app history, startup. So you navigate your mouse to startup. This is where we will be disabling some of the startup programs that are available on your computer. So now over here, there are some programs that I have enabled because I need them to function on my PC. But if you don't need them, you can go ahead and right click like this and then disable so that it doesn't take up space. The first step you will be talking about is to always ensure that your Windows is up to date. And in order to confirm this, we go to our start menu and go to settings as usual. When you navigate to settings, you go to Windows Update. When you click on Windows Update, you get to see if your Windows is up to date. And if it's not up to date, you have to check for update and then make sure that you update your Windows. The final step we will be talking about is upgrading your hardware. For instance, you can replace your mechanical hard drive with an SSD, which stands for solid state drive. It helps to boost the performance of your laptop and it also reduces consumption. There is this tool called CCleaner. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out and then experiment with it. It helps you clean up your hard drive. One thing to also note is that when you delete files on your laptop, it goes into your recycle bin. So you can try as much as possible to permanently delete those unwanted files in your recycle bin. After performing all these activities, you need to restart your PC. And in order to do that, you head over to the start menu and then you navigate to power and you click on restart. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions and do well to check out my other videos. I'll see you again.